Okay, so here are the ingredients to this easy dump shrimp and broccoli. Quite naturally, we gotta have the broccoli. I'm going to be using a can of French onion soup, a can of beef consomme. I have some sambar or some chili paste here, minced garlic, a little dark soy, and we have a pound of frozen deveined shrimp here. And we're just going to go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead, get this broccoli all cut up. It's kind of large, as you can see there. Get it washed up, get it cut up, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put this thing together. All right, guys, so let's get started. We got this broccoli cut up and washed up. I got the broccoli cut down to bite-sized pieces. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just start dumping everything. Like I said, this is basically a dump recipe. So we put in our shrimp. You want your shrimp frozen because we're going to be cooking this for about 45 to 50 minutes. And you don't want that shrimp to already be raw, otherwise it's going to cause that shrimp to be chewy. Having it frozen is going to allow for it to cook perfectly and you don't have to worry about it overcooking. We're going to put in about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Also going to go in with a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of our chili paste. We're going to put in our can of beef consomme and our can of French onion soup. Now, I'm going to use about a can of water just to go with that. Typically, each can requires a can of water each, but we're just going to go with one can. This is going to be a really thin broth. You can thicken it up at the end with some cornstarch slurry if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like it is. I went in with a couple dashes of that dark soy, which is going to add some good flavor and just give it that little hint of Asian flair that we're looking for, and in our water. Once you have everything in, you're just going to give everything a good mix. Make sure that you try to get everything well incorporated as best as you can, and then we're going to cover. Now, you do not have to use a Dutch oven to cook this. You can use a nice high wall pan. I didn't have one available at the time, so I just used what I had. But if you do have like a high wall pan, that'll work perfectly fine as well, or an aluminum foil pan would also work. Now you can season this heavy with garlic. I typically would like to use crushed red pepper flakes as well, but I didn't have any at the time. So I have my oven set at 375 degrees. We're just going to go ahead and cover it up and throw it in the oven and let it go for about 45 minutes. All right, guys, it's been about 45 minutes. I'll let you see what we got going on. Now, typically, you can cook it a little longer if you want. It's really comes down to your broccoli and the texture of the broccoli you want. I like a nice al dente broccoli. If you like it a little soft, you can cook it for just a little bit more, but you have to be mindful of that shrimp. So all you want to do now is just give everything a good stir. Make sure you get that nice flavor going on all over that broccoli. Again, at this point as well too, you could put in just a little bit of a cornstarch slurry and put it back into that oven for about 10 minutes if you want to thicken up that broth, but we're just going to eat it like it is. I made some rice for the kids, and I'm just going to eat it straight. And this is good, man. Guys, you can get home from work, throw it together, throw it in the oven, get your shower, you know, just kind of unwind while it's cooking, and you'll wind up with a good, healthy meal. You're looking at under 100 calories per serving, high in fiber, high in protein, low carb, ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Till the next time,